Alright, so now I'm going to be explaining how to set it up, how to set up your CryptoPay account. If you're an e-commerce retailer and you want to enable your customers to pay for their orders using cryptocurrencies like Ador and Ignis. So it's pretty simple. You just got to create an account once you go to your CryptoPay website, and you just enter your details. I'm just going to enter Tony Stark. And after entering all your basic details, you gotta enter your public key. So this is just one time. You don't have to enter it every time. So what you do is you just head back to your Adder wallet. You grab your public key, and you enter it over here. And you're signing up as a seller, so you gotta enter your account ID if you want to accept payments. You just sign up, and you go to your dashboard. Here in your dashboard, you can see all your transactions. As this is a newly created account, it doesn't have any transactions yet, but then you can go to API keys. You can, in order for allowing your customers to make a transaction using their CryptoPay, you need to put the API key on your site. I have also done a sample site using Django to demonstrate how an e-commerce site using this API key would look like, and you can give your API key a name. We'll just say sports shop, my cool sports, or let's just name it a Stark Sports. Submit it, and you're gonna get a key. You're just gonna copy this key, and you got to paste it as the API key for CryptoPay in your Django e-commerce site app. And all this is open source. The mobile app, the payment gateway, and the e-commerce store that I did, it's all open source, and it's going to be on GitHub. You can look into it. And then you head back to your site, refresh, and when a customer logs in, all right, so email your customer. I've already registered a customer, so I'm not going through the registration process again. And when the customer add some things into the cart, and choose error, then checks out. You can head back to your dashboard, and here you see customer name Richard just made a transaction whose status is pending. And now I'm just gonna use my phone on the other side to log in as Richard, and confirm. And when that's confirmed, you're gonna see that it's confirmed over there. So just give me a minute. Alright, so I have actually logged in as Richard at piper.com on my phone. With the customer's ID. I haven't checked out yet, so I'm refreshing. It's not showing its confirm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out on my phone. I've opened the customer's wallet, a paper wallet over here. And assuming that the customer is opening this particular window and scanning the QR on his or her mobile app and confirming it, right, which is confirmed on Richard's phone by Richard, and this is completed. You can head back to your Adore wallet and you would be able to see the purchase real soon. After it's confirmed, after the chain has updated. So log into Richard's account, just demo. Yes, it's confirmed. It's transacting.